Replace S5 engraving clamp and engraving cutter. Fix a key to be engraved on the clamp flatly, and clean up the surface of clamp. Click engraving in the software, then click measure to measure the key width automatically. Size means to decrease or increase the font size. Cutting depth means that the setup depth range is from 0.01 mm to 0.15 mm. Cutting speed means to set up slow, medium, and fast speed. Add text means to input the text which you want to engrave. Edit text means to modify the text which you want to engrave. Add picture means to load an image from an USB disk. Save means to save the current text or image as a template, and you can find it in the favorites folder. Up, down, left, right means to adjust the position of the text. Centered means to keep the text in the center of the key. Click Cut to start engraving after the text is set up well.